Yeah.
This is a complimentary video. I'm not putting much effort into it, but we just want to show you how nature looks. So you can see we're not wearing any shoes because this is not even acting right now. We're going on nature walks, so. Introduce yourself. Darn it. Sorry. Technical difficulties. Say hi to camera.
Hi.
Tell us who you are.
Camera.
No, we don't need any Susie. We complain about that a little going on. You're feeling a little shy right now, aren't you?
No.
Yeah, you are. Don't even talk. Okay. Let's start this one. You're on the wheel. Going on still. We do this on... Actually, we don't really do this on a daily basis. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Because we usually don't do this ever.
If you listen clearly, you can hear the wolves.
So I don't want to make these rules up because
Because they're real wolves.
yeah.
That's not something you make fun of.
Yeah.
Whoa. Did you hear that owl?
It sounded like an owl.
And stuff.
Look at the glass.
Alright, let's go to a campsite.
This is our campsite. It's where we usually go.
It's really campy. And stuff.
You look to the
Look
left.
both ways.
Look to the right. So you're brilliant. Hey. Ow. That's our song we usually sing when we go on the...
Wait, so that we have no shoes. Because we don't have
Oh,
any.
we don't got any shoes. I always tell them that though.
Yeah.
We've made cars, so we gotta be very, very, very careful. We almost got ran over. It's very freezing out here.
And I'm bundled up and Gwen is wearing shorts.
Look at that disgusting piece of dog bum.
I almost step in it.
Gonna have a camera for a little bit.
Oh.
I know it's freezing out here.
Gwen, you're wearing shorts. You could die of frostbite. And
You know, that's one thing about shorts. They're always hot.
and you're sick.
Okay, we're gonna sit down here for a couple minutes.
We were just down here, weren't we, Gwen?
Yeah, we got an idea about video because we were outside. Okay, we sit crisscross.
I'm really cold, so it's hard.
Okay. Okay. So to make sure that I'm not lying about crisscrossing here, I'll show them Joe.
Crisscross applesauce.
Nothing big about it. There was Joe right there.
It's a crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross apple. Sauce. Give a dog a bone? Okay. We're gonna play this game like the called telephone. Hey, and you're forced. Sorry. Okay. I sneezed. Okay. No, boy. Okay. It's weird and safe. I didn't have the flap on. Put it on.
Now, what am I supposed to say?
Okay, what was the word I said?
You said poop.
No, my word.
Let's try again.
See how hard that is?
Let me try.
Put your hand now. I almost dropped it last time.
Okay.
Belly.
Now, what do you say?
I think it's belly.
That was not the word.
Oh, I thought
Oh, wait, let's play leapfrog.
That's how far I can jump.
Pretty good. Don't drop the camera.
I won't drop it. Jump. That's pretty good. Oh, wait. I'll hold it because you've been holding it for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna look at the gas miles over here.
How much the gas price is this stuff? $2.25. Gas price went down.
Pretty good. Wait, is this really bad lighting right now, Joe? For the camera.
It's on night shot.
It's on night shot, you guys.
Cold. And Brennan has shorts on.
Get used to it. Look at this shadow. Okay.
Michael.
Them biker was always disrespectful. So it's probably a nicer walk.
Wait,
Well,
wait.
I think the end should have you, over by where we walked to, waving goodbye.
Wait, go.
Bye.
Goodbye.